How to deactivate Messenger. First, you need to go to your Facebook. So open your Facebook app and then click on the three bars at the top right corner and then click on Settings and Privacy. So then go to Settings. So at the very top, you'll see Account Center. So click on See More in Account Center and then click on Personal Details. So click on Account Ownership and Control and you'll see the option of deactivation or deletion. So tap on that and then select the account that you would like to deactivate and make sure that the deactivate option is the one that's ticked on and then click on continue. So you need to enter your Facebook password and then click on continue. Once you do that, go over to your Messenger, then tap on the three dots at the top left corner and then click on the setting icon right here. So scroll under the profile and click on your active status and make sure that this is turned off, and then scroll all the way down and go to account settings. So go ahead and click on personal information and click on manage account, and then you'll see the option of deactivate. Click on that. So you need to enter your Facebook password here and then click on continue. So in this way you'll be able to deactivate Messenger.